Hi, this is Pooja and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So after a very long time I'm doing this Myntra haul and अभी Myntra पे बहुत अच्छी सेल चल रही है. It's Myntra end of season sale. So I bought a lot of items and मैंने इससे पहले भी इसमें से कुछ पहन के इंस्टा पे फोटो पोस्ट की थी क्योंकि कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे जल्दी मिल गए थे, प्लस मुझे एक इवेंट अटेंड करना था मुंबई में. एंड इसके बाद जब सारे ऑर्डर्स मुझे मिल गए तब आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो एंड मुझे बहुत सारे डीएम्स आए थे तब कि आपने कहाँ से लिया. सो सॉरी मैंने आपको वेट कराया, बट येस हियर इज द हॉल एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो. ओके, सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद दिस वेरी प्रिटी कॉर्सेट एंड इसका मैंने एक मिरर सेल्फी स्टोरी में डाली थी जो अब सबको पसंद आई थी. इन केस यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम देन गो एंड फॉलो मी देयर. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज fashion_sensation_238. Okay, so it's a beautiful corset from this brand called Rareism and I'm in love with this. Like the fabric is so comfortable, you can wear this for the whole day. And here is the top, like just have a look. It is so cute. ये this tie up thing आएगी आपको शोल्डर पे and just see the pattern. Like I love the pattern here. It's a very cute and comfortable top. So it's in this beautiful lime green color. So इसका color was the thing जिससे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा attract किया. Like I don't have anything in this color. It's a beautiful color and this is very very comfortable. Just make sure whatever size you are going to order in this, please go one size down because this is something जो थोड़ा सा baggy है and it is the top. Like the fabric is so comfortable. It is cotton. This is like cotton and a blend of something which is very comfortable. It is this A-line top and you will get this tie-up thing here, so you can just adjust the knot according to your need and I love this top. And इसके साथ ये beautiful पैंट्स आती है. दिस इज हाई वेस्टेड. ये पूरा इलास्टिकेटेड पैंट्स है, लाइक आगे भी इलास्टिक है, पीछे भी दिस इलास्टिक थिंग एंड आपको ये नॉट करने टाई करने के लिए भी मिलेगा सो दैट आप आपकी नीड्स के हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर लो. एंड द फैब्रिक इज अगेन वेरी कंफर्टेबल. This is not at all see-through. It is cotton and a very rich cotton fabric. So the length is perfect for me. Like I'm 5'8" in height and still it fits me perfectly. The length is amazing and so if you're looking for something which is comfortable, which is trendy, then you must go with something like this. So I will rate 10 out of 10 for this. This is amazing. So in terms of comfort, this is 10 on 10. In terms of quality, this is amazing. So you should definitely go for something like this if you're looking for something, if you're looking for an amazing corset. The top you have to purchase अलग से and pants भी आपको अलग से मिलेंगी. So in case आपको corset नहीं लेना, आपको just top पसंद आए तो आप top order करो, आपको just pants पसंद आए तो आप pants ले सकते हो. In case आपको दोनों चाहिए तो आप दोनों purchase कर सकते हो. Now I'll move on to my next purchase. Okay, so next I have this beautiful top with me. Again it is from this brand called Rareism. It just hugs your body on the right place and this is beautiful. It is available in 3 more colors I guess, and I bought this beautiful grey color. So it has this very nice shine जो इस fabric में ही है and I love how it fits my body. So this is a close neck high, so it's a high neck top and आप इसे आपकी कोई भी pants के साथ style करो, any black pants and this is going to look beautiful. So this winter season you can layer up this top with any kind of jacket and it is going to look perfect. I'm in love with this gorgeous top. This is amazing. So this I bought for 1000 or something. अगर अभी और prices कम हो गए तो आपको समझ में आएगा. Links description box में होंगी. And I bought this in the size large I guess. Yes, I bought this in the size large and बहुत beautiful fit है. इसे मैंने black pants के साथ style किया था and I absolutely love this, like how beautiful the top is. Okay, so next I bought this very pretty top and it's in this very nice fabric. So it's a blend of polyester and cotton, but I don't mind wearing it. So it's a blend of polyester and cotton and I don't mind wearing polyester. Top is this good, so I'm in love with this beautiful yellow color and I think yellow suits me more. There's a zip at this top, there's a zip at the back and it is something like this. It's the sleeves are like drop shoulder sleeves and again it's a close neck top. So again you'll have this pattern going on which is a cinched pattern at the waist. It's a beautiful top and looks amazing. So just again perfect for winters and summers. So in summers you can wear as it is, and in winters you can layer up with a beautiful jacket or a cardigan, and this is a beautiful fit. I just love the top. And I think this is going to be my favorite brand from now onwards, because I'm loving everything from their collection. Okay, so next I have these beautiful black pants, and again from this brand called Realism. So I just love their pants. I bought this in the size 34, and ये high waisted है. So they're wide leg pants, and I was looking for something like this from a very long time, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ fit मुझे perfectly नहीं मिलता है. Plus the length is perfect. थोड़ी और हो सकती थी length. प्लस तो थोड़ी और लेंथ हो सकती थी. इफ़ यू आर 5'8" और 5'7", आपको थोड़ा फील होगा कि थोड़ी और थोड़ी और लेंथ होती तो अच्छा होता, बट अदरवाइज इट्स परफेक्ट. लाइक इतना ज़्यादा कम भी नहीं है. एंड इफ़ यू आर शॉर्टर लाइक 5'6" से 5'7" से आपकी हाइट कम है, तो आपको ये परफेक्ट फिट होगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेंथ. So in terms of comfort, this is 10 on 10. Like, this is so comfortable. In terms of quality, this is amazing, and I would definitely recommend this. This is something you must have. So yes, I bought one more color, but they sent me wrong size. So this is 36, and this is too loose for me. So I'm gonna return this, and I'm gonna exchange it for a size smaller. And I think 34 will fit me the best. And again, the fabric is same. This is comfortable, very comfortable. You can pair any top with this. I just feel and I bought this around 1600 something. So this was for 1600, that was of 6. Okay, so next I bought this very pretty dress, and it's in this beautiful light pink and red color. So it's a combination of pink and red color. So ये ऐसे collar आता है top में, and there's this beautiful flare at the bottom. Plus आपको ये belt मिलेगा to tie center में, so that ये beautiful cinched vest का look दे, and then आपका जो नीचे flare है वो वैसे का वैसे है. So I just feel ये थोड़ा short है मेरे लिए, because I am 5'8" in height. So if you have a good height, this is something जो आपको थोड़ा छोटा हो सकता है. So I don't know if मैं इसे रखूँगी या फिर return करूँगी because of the height issue, because it's too short I feel. And so yes, and it's a beautiful dress. So ये sleeveless है, and the pattern is something like this. It is 100% cotton. The fabric is again very comfortable, and it is from this brand called And. The original price is 3290, but I got this for 1600 something. So yes, a beautiful dress. So next is something जो मैंने बहुत सोच के परचेज किया था. It's a pinafore dress, and it is from this brand called Forever New. So this is the top जो आपको इसके अंदर पहनना है. It's a white top with full sleeves, and the pattern is very nice. And this is something जो आप किसी और टॉप के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो, या फिर as it is भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. So ये थोड़ा सा velvet feel देता है, but it's not a velvet fabric. It's beautiful black and white pinafore dress. So I know I'm gonna style this in a lot of different ways. Like, if you don't want to wear this white top, you can wear this as it is, या फिर something with short sleeves, something with different neckline, and it's a very versatile dress. That's why I bought this. So it was something, so during the sale I bought this for something around 5,000 rupees. Yes, Forever New is an expensive brand, so if you have a good budget, definitely go with this. Otherwise, there are other affordable options also available in the market. I'll definitely come with some more affordable hauls. So yes, next I bought this very pretty Scotch, and it's in this very nice white color. So I just love something like this. So this is from this brand called Jastra, and I bought this around 700 or 6. I bought this around 600 something, but the fabric quality is too good. It is something like this. This is amazing, and इसके reviews बहुत अच्छे थे. So मैंने इसके reviews पढ़े थे, Myntra पे जो section नीचे reviews थे, and everybody said that they are loving it. So without giving a second thought, I bought this Scotch, and trust me, this is something जो आप 1000 times पहन के भी बोर नहीं होने वाले, with 1000 different looks, and I just love this. So just make sure that आपकी size perfect हो, so that you know आप comfortable हो, at the same time you can look stylish. Next I bought this beautiful Scotch in this very nice black color, and ये थोड़ा सा pearl detailing है, विद दिस थिंग. सो ये ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी मुझे. इसका फैब्रिक भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बट द वाइट का जो फैब्रिक है इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा बेटर है. दिस इज ऑल्सो नाइस बट थोड़ा थिन है, इसका ज़्यादा थिक है. एंड this is from this brand called Urban Grace by Casually, and both so I bought this in the size 34. दोनों भी मैंने 34 साइज में लिए हैं. एंड बहुत सुंदर लगता है. इसके साथ आप कोई भी टॉप स्टाइल कर सकते हो, आपके ट्रिप्स के लिए, आपके वेकेशंस के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड आई एम प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप सून, सो आई थिंक दिस विज समथिंग जो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना वेयर. और मैं इसमें बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करूँगी आफ्टर वेयरिंग दिस ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. सो इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम देन गो एंड फॉलो मी देयर. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज fashion_sensation_238. so वहाँ मैं बहुत सारी स्टोरीज डालती हूँ. सो next is this beautiful high waisted pants, and it is from this brand called H&M. so मुझे like ये ऐसी कोई pants बहुत पसंद है, like for different trips and vacations, क्योंकि this is very comfortable. Again the fabric is really nice. ये भी कुछ 2300 समथिंग की थी, बट मैंने जब ऑर्डर प्लेस किया तो बट मैंने बहुत सारे आइटम्स का एक साथ ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था, तो मुझे कूपन्स अप्लाई हो गए थे. एंड उस केस में आई बॉट दिस अराउंड 1600 समथिंग. बट येस इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल, बट येस दिस इज very friendly, but yes, this is very skin friendly, trendy at the same time, and in terms of comfort, this is 10 on 10. so yes, definitely go for this if you're into pants. एंड इसके साथ आप ब्लैक नाइस आपका कोई भी ब्लैक क्रॉप टॉप स्टाइल करो, दिस विल लुक ब्यूटिफुल. सो येस, लव्ड इट. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon next to it, so that whenever I'll post a new video, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye. I'll see you next time.